Hi there, this is Susie at Alabaster Flask, and I haven't done a video for a very long time, but I wanted to share this journal that I just made for my daughter's birthday, which is today. So it's a fairy journal that she had wanted, and it's just full of embossed papers and little bits of spare paper here and there. Anyways, I'll clean it up later, but I've got to get done and get ready. So I just did some digitals that I found here and there, and as usual, I will be linking everything below. I'm on a very high stool right now because I can't find my other one. So if you see a lot of arm, that's why. Stenciling, embossing and cutout, and little tuck spot envelope. Let's see, what else is in here? I've got these wonderful William Morris sheets from Temu of all places, and put this little image on it and then embossed and then stenciled over it. This is another from whatever digital it was, with stenciling on the back and a little silk ribbon that I made. Some hand-dyed lace. I love this digital. It's beautiful. Another digital of an embroidery pattern. Lots of stenciling just to give a little bit of dimension here and there. This is some soutache trim. Little, as you can see, this is a paper bag that I embossed. I love the color of it. So Michelle and I have been using a lot of those lately. And a little hand-dyed dragonfly, I think that is, yes. Little embossed picture frame. Lots of embossing because I just got a new embossing machine, so I'm very thrilled with it. And emboss everything I can get my hands on. There's lots of digitals. Kristen Ramanujam KriRama from Junk Journal Divas. This is one of her eco-dyed papers, and I thought, oh, this would be just perfect in here. And just a little envelope tuck spot for her because she likes little secret places. These I know came from ArtHouseWhimsy. I think it's called She's Got Wings. Piece of antique lace. I liked to also embellish the edges with paper punches. If I'm going fast, it's because I don't want to bore you and I've got to get out of here. Little card. This I did a paper that I didn't like the way it looked, so I stenciled it, then I embossed it, stenciled it some more, glued some little corners under it, if you can see, before I overlaid the whole thing with a rice paper and decoupaged it. This is a piece of German antique book page. And lots of journaling space, a little piece of an applique. She wanted lots of places to write, so that's what I tried to give her with this. Some hand-dyed avocado paper. More stenciling and edge cutting, punching. I just love these. I think that's Fable something. I'll have to look it up and put it in the links down below for the digitals because I've had these for quite a while and really wanted to do a fairy journal, so I was so happy that she wanted one. It's a tag that I did with a piece that came out of an embossed book page, antique book page, and it's interesting because it wasn't planned that way, but it says Hallelujah on it. And more antique book pages. Another of those William Morris pages with an image embossed and stenciled. And I don't think I got this thing sewn together well, but I don't think she's really going to care. I had to get it done. Another page, a little stenciling on the back. A lot of stenciling just to kind of perk up the pages a little bit. Another of those. And this one is just a long skinny bookmark. And then I love this trim. It's a vintage cotton, sort of semi-pleated and then plated, which is really wonderful. Not much of it, but I've been hoarding it, as I like to do. These, I took the images and made them into just little tuck spot things. And then one more bookmark with a, I made a last minute belly band out of this with vellum paper and stenciled it, and that is it. And it's not going to be affixed to this. Oh, and then the little charms on the bottom that Michelle gave me. These are silk petals from flowers and a piece of antique lace, just so she can take the fancy cover off when she wants to use it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you were able to see everything. And if not, send me a message. I'll try to get it back from her and redo it at some point. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. And if you want to wait 6 months to see another video, you can subscribe. But I'm really bad at doing videos, and also don't have a lot of time to make journals. So anyways, there you have it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.